If you're still charting an hour after your shift ends, this video ends that. Here are 5 AI tips that'll give you your time back without cutting corners on patient care. You didn't become a nurse to spend your evenings fighting paperwork, but between charting, handoffs, care plans, and patient education, the administrative side of nursing can quietly eat 2 hours of every shift. The good news is that this is exactly the kind of work AI is genuinely useful for. And everything in this video stays firmly in that lane. No diagnosis, no dosing, no clinical judgment. That's your expertise, and no tool replaces it. These 5 tips are strictly about the busy work around the care, not the care itself. One quick note before we start. Always follow your facility's policy on approved tools and never put patient names or identifiers into anything that isn't approved to hold them. All right, tip 1. Tip 1, use AI to draft routine charting narratives. Tools like ChatGPT or Claude, or an AI feature built into your EHR, if your facility has one, are very good at turning rough shorthand into clean, professional documentation language. During the shift, jot your observations as quick fragments. At charting time, ask the AI to expand those fragments into a clear narrative note, then review every line and correct anything that isn't exactly right before it goes in the chart. You stay the author, the AI is just a fast typist with excellent grammar. Nurses who chart this way often cut their documentation time by a third. And that's the after shift hour we talked about. Tip 2, let AI summarize your shift notes for handoff. Paste in your own de-identified notes. No names, no room numbers, no record numbers, and ask for a structured summary in the format your unit uses, like SPAR. What used to be 10 minutes of scanning and rewriting becomes a 2-minute review and polish. The summary only reorganizes what you already wrote, so the content is still 100% yours. It just arrives with the next nurse in a cleaner package, and you clock out on time. Tip 3, draft care plan documentation faster. To be clear, the care decisions come from you and your team. That part doesn't change. But writing it all up is formatting work, and AI is excellent at formatting work. Describe the points you want covered in plain language, tell it the structure your facility uses, and ask for a properly formatted draft. Then edit it. Editing a solid draft takes about half the time of writing from a blank page, and over a week of care plan updates, that adds up to real hours back. Your clinical thinking delivered in half the writing time. Tip 4, generate patient education handouts in minutes. Say you need a 1-page handout on caring for a surgical site at home, written at a 6th grade reading level in English and in Spanish. AI can produce a clean first draft in seconds. You then check it against your facility's approved education materials, adjust the details, and print. What used to mean digging through binders or rewriting the same handout for the 10th time becomes a 5-minute task. Your patients go home with clearer instructions, and you get your break back. Tip 5, put AI on your admin and scheduling. Use it to draft the emails nobody enjoys writing. The shift swap request, the PTO justification, the polite follow-up you've been putting off. Many self-scheduling apps nurses already use are adding AI features that flag open shifts matching your preferences and draft the swap request for you. And if you're on a committee or unit council, AI can turn a messy meeting discussion into clean minutes and action items. Each of these is a small saving on its own. Together, they're the difference between doing admin on your couch at 9 p.m. and not doing it at all. So that's 5. Charting drafts, handoff summaries, care plan formatting, patient education handouts, and admin on autopilot. You don't need all 5 this week. Pick one, try it on your next shift, and notice what an extra 20 minutes feels like. If this was useful, subscribing genuinely helps me make more videos like this one. And leave a comment telling me which tip you'd like a full step-by-step video on. I read everyone. Take care of yourself out there. You spend all day taking care of everyone else.